What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. It's been like maybe a month since I haven't uploaded a video. It's just been crazy at work and busy, but let me show you guys what we're going to be working on today. So today, guys, I pulled in the black GSX. You guys remember we had put the head on this thing. Like, we put the head on. I know you guys probably don't remember because it's just been a minute, especially because each video it's a different DSM, but this is the black GSX that we were installing the head on and all the timing components, water pump and all that good stuff. So today the plan is to get this bad boy finished and started. So take this off. We're gonna go ahead and start. We're gonna go ahead and install the lifters, cams, rockers, all that good stuff, new cam seals, get her all timed up and everything. We are gonna install some new lifters the customer brought. So new lifters, I'm gonna go ahead and bleed these since you have to bleed them, and then I'm gonna go ahead and slap those on. Not gonna be too much of an exciting video, guys, just because you guys just see the same process over and over. So on this one, it's just gonna be a fast process of me putting it together. On the last video, you guys did comment. I got a lot of comments and a lot of DMs on Instagram saying that you guys were really interested in me putting back. On the last video, you guys showed you guys how to pull out your 4G63 step by step, and you guys were interested in me putting it back step by step. So that is not on this car, it's on the other GSX that's back there, this one. So once we get to that one, I'll be showing you guys how to put it back together step by step. As far as the Evo goes, Evo's still running really damn good, still pulling hard. Actually, I got my injector serviced, I want to say like 2 weeks ago. Got the injector service. They changed a lot. One injector was flowing, I want to say worse than all the other three. So I got those cleaned out, and I ended up taking it back to my tuner. You guys know JA Tune, and we ended up adding a little bit of more boost and just mess with some things here and there. As far as DSM still being a DSM, she's still running good. I actually just recently pulled off the turbo. As you guys remember, what I want to do on this car, I want to do a front face manifold with the turbo sticking out somewhere around here, but that's coming here in the future. She's still good. This DSM, we have the head back already, so stay tuned because this one is next. And then yeah, guys, but for today, let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, guys, just a little update where I'm at right now. I have all the lifters in, and as well as the rocker arms. I'm getting ready to go ahead and slap on the cams, the new cam seals, and get her all torqued down, and then we can go ahead and set up the timing. So yeah, guys, let's get it. Our little update, got the cams all on, cam gears. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the timing next. You guys probably can't see, it's getting really bright out here with the sun, but yeah, guys, that's where I'm at right now. I'm gonna go ahead and time her up, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. Alrighty, guys, I got a little bit of head. I don't know if you guys can see because of the sun, but I have all the wiring harness buttoned up, and right now I'm getting ready to slap on the turbo. All the timing stuff is done, and yeah, guys, we just keep moving along. Guys, sounding good. Alrighty, guys, so final test. Let's go take this thing for a drive, make sure everything's good. Make sure everything's Gucci. So let's go ahead and get her on the road. Oh yeah, she's definitely ready to hit the. hit the streets of AZ. It's hot as heck out today, guys. today's gonna be like one of the hottest days, I believe. So I'm out here sweating in the DSM, but she's running really good. Nice and smooth. All the gears go in. She's been sitting for about over a year, I believe. Alrighty guys, well she's finally ready. I went and drove her around for a bit. She drives really good. So yeah, she's ready to go back to its owner. Again, they brought this car to me, all taken apart. You know, the head was off, and it had been sitting for over a year. And then you know, they brought it back. They brought it to me so I could put her together and get her back on the streets. And there she is, guys. She's running really good. Sounds like a really healthy motor. And yeah, he has future plans, you know, new intercooler piping, and then you know, a couple other things to get her tuned, get her on E85, and all that good stuff. So yeah guys, if you enjoyed that video, you know, hit that subscribe button. I know this one wasn't too I didn't explain too much. I just kind of got really into it and just put it back together so I can get finish it and get it out of the house. But yeah guys, if you like the video, you know, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Go follow me at 4G63 Attic on IG, and let's get it guys. Let's keep this up, and another DSM ready for the streets. And like always guys, I'll catch you guys in the next one.